Hello everybody. Whether the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints is true is a matter of faith and personal belief, and there's no single, universally accepted answer. The Church itself claims to be the only true and living church on earth, while others disagree, citing historical, archaeological, and scientific evidence. Here's a breakdown of perspectives. Latter-day Saint perspective. Restoration of true Christianity. They believe the Church is a restoration of the original Church of Jesus Christ as it existed in the 1st century, with the authority and power lost through apostasy. 1. Restoration of true Christianity. They believe the Church is a restoration of the original Church of Jesus Christ as it existed in the 1st century, with the authority and power lost through apostasy. Personal revelation. Members often cite personal experiences and spiritual confirmations as evidence of the Church's truthfulness. Key doctrines. They believe in the divinity of Jesus Christ, the importance of his atonement, and the restoration of the priesthood and ordinances through Joseph Smith. Scriptures. They consider the Book of Mormon, Doctrine and Covenants, and Pearl of Great Price as additional scriptures, alongside the Bible. Only true church leaders assert that their church is the only true and living church on earth and that other churches do not have the authority to act in Jesus' name. Other perspectives, historical and archaeological evidence. Critics point to inconsistencies between the Book of Mormon's claims and historical, archaeological, and genetic evidence, questioning its authenticity. Anachronisms. Scholars have identified anachronisms within the Book of Mormon, such as the mention of metals and animals not native to the Americas at the time the book claims to be set. Former practices. The Church's former practice of polygamy and its historical context have also drawn criticism. Diversity of beliefs. Many Christians and people of other faiths hold different beliefs about the nature of God, salvation, and the role of the Church, which may lead them to disagree with the Latter-day Saint perspective. Alternative interpretations. Some scholars and critics offer alternative interpretations of the Book of Mormon and the early history of the Church, which may challenge the Latter-day Saint perspective. In conclusion, ultimately, whether one believes the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints is true depends on individual faith, interpretation of evidence, and personal experiences. The Church itself presents a strong case for its claims, while others offer counter-arguments based on historical, archaeological, and scientific evidence. Now you give us your thought on this book. If you don't believe, tell us what evidence says this book is fake. Thanks, and don't forget to join this channel so you can chat with us when we go live. And hit that subscribe and all push notifications. Thanks.